Okay, hello, greetings and welcome. Okay, so on the last video on the fundamentals of Qigong, we talked about the 3 Dantian alignment and how we synchronize our point of concentration with our feeling and our body mechanics, and the 3 come together to produce more energy. And it does so in an intuitive way. Now there's this balance of consciousness between your mental space, the frequency you're concentrating on, or the feeling you're concentrating on, how that feeling relates to the body, and how your body mechanics control and act as an amplifier to the feeling. So through pure attention to a feeling, you can increase it. By increasing the space, you can increase it. And by adjusting the body mechanics, you can increase the feeling. So you can produce qi in a wide range of different ways. Your locality, you can be standing on a vortex and, whoa, there's more energy. You can be in a sacred space where there's a lot of prayer and deep, vast stillness, and that acts as an amplifier and opens up all the layers of your bodies, and you feel more qi. And there are dozens and dozens and dozens of different types of amplifiers of qi, and I've done videos on this. Now, what I want to look at specifically is the synchronicity between the mental, astral, and physical body, between the 3 Dantians. Now, once you have the feeling of energy, and you go, okay, I'm breathing into the space between my hands, I have this electromagnetic fluidic quality there. What I want you to do is just simply expand your mental space to about arm's reach around you. When you expand the mental space to arm's reach around you, and you continue keeping your mind on this feeling, but do it incrementally over a few breaths, the volume of energy will increase with the space. So you'll have the same amount of density, but you have that density in a bigger space. So you've just increased that energy. So by increasing space, you increase energy. Then look at, now if I pay more attention to the feeling of the energy, just pure concentration, increase the percentage of my mind on that feeling, you'll notice, the volume is increasing, the intensity is increasing. Now, if I concentrate my breath more into that feeling, the breath will transform and fuel that feeling, and again, you'll notice, now I'm increasing the amount of energy that I'm working with. Now, if I relax and hang the muscles, fine-tune the way the fascia and joints are opening and activating the fascia, clean up my structure, make sure the knees are aligned in the 2 triangles of the leg, rock your pelvis forward and backward to get the lower back to drop and click open, tuck in your chin, open up the occipital a little bit, round, hang the shoulders, round the back, and fine-tune all little mechanics. And when you hit the right places, you'll feel an increase in qi, increase in energy. So what I want you to do is to look at all these little triggers of increased mental space, increased attentiveness, increased focus on the feeling, increase the type of relaxation, and tune the body to be an antenna and radiator and receiver of the energy. Now, when we talk about antenna, an antenna receives and it transmits. Now, the better you are as a receiver, the more energy you can collect from your environment. So if you go do this under a tree, and then you do exactly the same process, you go, wow, the energy is stronger. I can feel more under the tree. Once you remember that feeling, when you're not under the tree, you can go to that same memory of intensity and activate it and reproduce it within yourself, even though the original fuel that produced it's not there, because your mind, your feeling, and your body remembers. And at first this doesn't make sense because it was an external fuel which gave you that volume and intensity. But oddly enough, within the akasha, within the empty space underneath form, if you go into the stillness underneath the memory, you can reproduce that same volume of energy with different conditions. So we have all these different aspects to amplify qi, how to increase your feeling of energy. So to get good at this, you need to take each one of these methods, practice it, write it down, journal it, clearly define your methodology, practice it again, write down your outcomes, and remember to journal when you're inside the feeling. So your hand is picking up the pen and writing through the feeling of the energy. The energy is communicating itself to your consciousness, to your intellect. So you let the feeling write. It's a type of automatic writing. You maintain the feeling or mind state of your meditation, of your qigong, of the alignment of the three dantians, and you let it express itself in your journal. And then you contemplate what you wrote and you refine your method. If you're very, very clever about this and you go to places of power and you intellectually understand, okay, I've got to increase mental space, I've got to increase attentiveness, I've got to increase the type of relaxation, refinement of my body mechanics, I've got to increase my sense of sacredness to what I'm doing to defabricate the ego and open the mind to universal principles, then you get good at this very quickly. But you need to understand the fundamental theory. The only book that I've ever encountered that opens these things up in a very intelligent way is called Initiation into Hermetics. Now, it doesn't go through the body mechanics of Qigong. It goes through the mind mechanics of how the mental, astral, and physical bodies, dantians, align. I wouldn't concern yourself too much with the theory of the book. Go straight to the practice. Start aligning to it. If you're Buddhist, take refuge in the Buddha, the Dharma, the Sangha before you start practicing. If you're Christian, look at it as a form of mystical Christianity and you're developing Christ consciousness. If you're Muslim, look at it in the same way. What it is just a template of how to train and align the three dantians to be more efficient in what you are doing. Okay, thank you for your time, and I hope this helps with your spiritual journey. See you on the next video.